The former top cop of Arizona is now facing accusations of stalking, threats, and assault.
And Fox 10's Steve Nielsen is breaking down the protection order that was filed in court against former DPS Director Frank Milstead and what the accusations reveal.
We are not naming the woman in this case. She and Frank Milstead had been in a relationship that has now come to an end. And in these court documents, she says that she recorded some of their conversations, and she says that she feared for her safety. This is the order of protection filed by a woman who was in a years-long relationship with the former head of the Arizona Department of Public Safety. She says back in July 2021, he, quote, grabbed her by the arms and violently shook her, causing significant bruising. Months later, in March this year, she says she recorded a conversation where Milstead said, "I'm going to make sure you understand me. If you expletive me, you will regret it for the rest of your life." She said, "How?" Milstead said, "You just figure it out. You'll know when it happens." The woman responded, "Is that a threat?" Milstead, "No, it's a promise." For months after, she claims he continues to contact her and showed up at her house uninvited. Milstead has been in headlines recently. In 2019, he told an officer who he was after being pulled over for going 90 miles per hour on I-17, and he was not given a ticket. This month, Milstead filed a civil complaint against the woman for expenses on the home he and the woman owned together. In a statement, his attorney says her petition for an order of protection is a transparent attempt to gain leverage in connection with a civil claim which has now been filed against her. She waited almost a year to seek an order of protection. She only sought an order of protection after she learned that Mr. Milstead was going to sue her. Milstead's attorney says they first contacted the woman with a notice of claim back in April, and he says that Milstead never harmed her. We reached out to the woman for a response, but we have not heard back. Steve Nielsen, Fox 10 News.